Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with another project share, another album that's going to be part of my Peekaboo album series or see-through album series, whichever name you can relate to. We've got the see-through cover, guys. This one in particular is Number One Dad. Look at that, how fabulous. This chipboard piece comes to you in two ways. You have two options. When you buy the tutorial, you get the SVG file that cuts out this piece right here. All right, and the Number One Dad, it's all one piece. Let me show you what it looks like. So you get the SVG file that will cut this out. It comes with your tutorial purchase. Or if you don't have a cutting machine or you don't feel like cutting it, you can purchase this on my website. All right, you get this and the acetate, the super thick acetate that accompanies this. So those are your two options. The tutorial, regardless, comes with the SVG file. If you want to cut it at a later date, you can. Okay, so this is a cross between a folio and an album. Okay, right now I'm calling it the Number One Dad album because it just makes it easy. But you do not have to make it with this Number One Dad. If you love the album style, you can just do a basic cover or any other see-through cover that I have in my see-through cover series or my Peekaboo series. All right, so stay tuned for that because you're going to have lots and lots of different options. So love this see-through cover. With the SVG files, you also get the matting. All right, there's two different sets of matting. This one with the more pieced look, and then the straight matting where you get the dad, and then this gets matted as well. I just like it in the black, so I left it in the black. You also get the matting for the back. That's an option for you guys. I chose not to do it because this is not decorative to me, so I didn't want to decorate it. But if you want to, you absolutely can. All right, so you have that option. The paper collection, because I know you guys are going to ask me, is, and I'm actually... am I prepared? Am I prepared? This is Whiskey Barrel, and it's one of the hot buys at Michael's. And I'm looking still because I could have swore I kept the cover of it. I guess I didn't. Oh well. So it's Whiskey Barrel, guys, one of the Michael's hot buys. Okay. And it's a fabulous masculine collection. As you can see here, these beautiful rich browns and marble and all sorts of beautiful things that you see here. There's this foliage sheet that is still super masculine. I love that they included this in there. Just gives it a really nice touch, balances everything out. So fantastic. Let me take you through the album. So this is the third panel here. So this comes off. All right, and this is a photo mat. I went ahead and did a decorative element here. It's magnetized and it opens up. Look at this, how fabulous. It opens this up for, I didn't put any photo mats in here because I want you to see the matting. That's what a lot of you watch my videos for. When you get the tutorial, you want to see how I decorate it. 4 photo mats. All right, loose photo mats that closes up like so. You put the little magnet piece there and done. All right, so you can fit lots and lots of things here. Okay, I need these for demoing. All right, so let's close that up. So this is a really nice page, if you will, right? A nice pocket page, different, simple. That's what you're going to find throughout this album. Simple with the wow factor. All right. It's just really, really nice. Easy to navigate. Not too much fuss. You don't need a map to navigate through the album. You're going to get some glare because some of the sheets in here are shiny. All right, so you have that shiny look to it, which is also gives it another super nice added touch. So we've only got 2 page assemblies here, guys, and then we have this fabulous ensemble over here that I'm going to take you through. So let me just show you this, how wonderful this piece is right here. All right, so then you open this up, and it's perfectly sized for 4x6 photos in the portrait and in the landscape orientation. Okay, you can also do smaller photos in the 2x2s, the 3x3s, the 3x4s, or a 4. This is a 4x4 or a 4x4. So either way it works. You can also do a framed 4x4 like you see here. Okay, or you can do this. So you have lots and lots of photo options with this little piece right here, and it's an accordion style, so you can, depending on how you decorate it, you can close it however you want. I kind of like this one in the booklet style because I want this to show. Then you have this wonderful floating envelope here that's completely see-through all the way to the other side, but it's a double envelope, okay, and it's anchored by this piece right here, which takes it to a whole nother level when you mat it. It gives you a really nice opportunity to mat in a fun and strategic way, which really elevates the look of the page and the actual envelope. So I love that. This is magnetized. You have this side over here. You can put all sorts of goodies in here, right? And then the other side is a completely different compartment. All right, so you have two different envelopes, but it's see-through all the way through, which is what I love. You can see all the way through it, but still, wow, simple with the wow factor. I really truly believe that, and I think you guys are going to agree with me. So again, this piece right here is such a simple thing, just completely elevates this look. You get another opportunity for pattern paper where you can mix up the pattern papers and just create that wow that we're looking for in an album. Here, this pocket, this is a simple pocket, okay? Simple pocket, but I matted in this interesting way. This paper collection came with borders, really long 12 by 12 borders that if you can't cut it just like this and get a good sentiment. So I went ahead and followed that through down the right hand side of this page just to complete the sentiment, and it gives it a really nice look. And then I finished it off with the matting here to the inside of the pocket. So just beautiful, really nicely done. Hopefully you can get some inspiration from this and wondering what can you do with your larger borders. You can absolutely cut them down and create this look in various ways you will see throughout the album. Okay, so here you can fit 5x7s, 4x6s, okay, 5 this way and this way. So really nice, okay, nice size album. Here's the matting on this side. Again, the 5x7s and 4x6s, either one or a combination thereof works really well. This page, I have to say, is my favorite of this entire album. I love the way this turned out. So let me show you very quickly over here a couple things you can do. Smaller size photo mats or the 3x4s, or you can do tags if you want to. All right, right here, which would look super cute if they were decorated, right? These are naked. This is the simple button closure. Button and string closure, I think that's what this is called. I'm not quite sure. I don't think I ever get it right after so many years of making this, right? So that opens up like this, and then you have two individual compartments with what I like to call my bumpers. All right, so you can put stuff here, can put goodies over here, and over here, and over here, and you just have these two fun compartments, and you close it up like so, and it's just wonderful. Again, simple, but with the wow factor. There's a nice open airiness about this pocket as well. So you just get all sorts of fun interactive elements here, but easy. All right, look at the matting here, guys. Look at this paper, how darling. I love it in a masculine sort of way. Love. Here's that opportunity for the 4x4. So really nice. But again, you can arrange your photos however you want, of course. Doesn't have to be the way I'm showing you. You can arrange them however you like. Let's close that up. So that closes this way. And then we have another showstopper pocket here. Again, easy, but with the wow factor, guys. We've got a double window here. We've got this fun kind of belted closure here that opens up, and this is one single pocket. So you can fit larger photos in here. It looks like two pockets, but it's one, and you can see through it. So you have that opportunity for pattern paper and photos and all that fun stuff. All right, so that's that. And then you get the same thing on the other side, mirror image, guys. So we've got this here. This one I did in the accordion style. Look at that, how fun. That opens up that way. You've got that little flap going on there, and then you have another flap here. So you get that really, really nice spread. If you close that up, then you get that nice spread. Lots of opportunities for photos. Look at that one. And then these two on the opposite side. How fun. So these are 2x3s. Really, really fabulous. I love, love, love the way this turned out. I can't remember how I close it now. There we go. This way. So then you open that up. You get again the floating see-through pocket, which I love. This paper is so fabulous. I mean, it's gorgeous. I would never think that a bunch of logs on the raw end or the cut edge looks good for a piece of paper, and that is just gorgeous. I love how that turned out. That paper is beautiful. So again, the double see-through pocket with the brick, the kind of worn brick paper. It's really pretty. So you have one side over here, and then the other side over here. Okay, so really, really fabulous. Then you have that oversized pocket once again. Simple matting here, then adding this sentiment here back to the black cardstock. Just give it that pop. And another pocket over here. So it's the same exact page that you see on this side, but on the right hand side. So mirror image. And then that same pocket. Look at how beautiful it looks in this denim and marble paper. Love. Again, you can do tags here, this compartment. I also did a insertion point here, so if you want to take it a step further and add a second photo mat or tag, that works. Okay, it's entirely up to you. You've got lots of options. Excuse me. And of course, then you open it up like so. sorry. Like that, and look at this. So beautiful. This paper, again, you can't go wrong with it. If you're looking for a masculine collection, this one is good. Hold on, guys. I got a cough. All right, I got a sip of water, so I should be fine. Drama Central every time I hit the record button. So here, I cut this piece of paper down to size as if I were matting just regular. Then I cut it down the middle on the diagonal, and then I removed 1/8 of an inch from, I think, this side. So either or, you remove 1/8 of an inch so you can get that gap there, and then I anchored it with this piece right here that's backed to black cardstock. So I think that's a really, really nice look. Then close that up, finish it off. It's just so gorgeous. Look what I did. So I cut my string too short, and I tied another piece just to fix it, but I didn't do a good job tying it. So I guess I'll have to do this for now and then tie it up again. Don't make that mistake cutting your string too short, okay? And then we turn that over, and we've got that same pocket again with this little belt closure right here. And you open that up, and that's one long, open, wide pocket. Super cute. Why can I not get that in there? There we go. Then here, for some change, I didn't do a pocket back here. You can do a shallow pocket. You could do whatever you want back here. But I figured a nice area for a large family photo, if you wanted to include one, would be nice back here. Okay, so it's entirely up to you. If you want to add a pocket, go for it. You can add this pocket here if you want to. But I just really like this look here. Just plain back. Done. We've got a nice sentiment here, and I think it just finishes off the album really, really nicely. So let me take you through this side now. So here we've got these angled pieces here. Okay, you can even put something going on the diagonal if you like it. It's really more for showing. It just looks good. That opens up like so. You get that. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. And then you get a really sweet waterfall here for lots and lots of photo opportunities. And then this nice area here for pattern paper. All right, photos on the back, of course. So lots of room for photos, guys. And it's, again, simple with the wow factor. I think it's really important to have some albums like that because not everybody is a crafter. Not everybody knows, you know, what you're thinking of when you are creating these albums. Not everyone gets it. So I think it's important. Uh-oh, what I do here? I think it's important that we note that. And one thing I want to point out, if you've been looking for a Father's Day project or something related to Father's Day that's not necessarily tools or mustaches or grilling or this or that, those kind of stereotypical things that you see for Father's Day, and you wanted something more generic, something that every dad can relate to, this is perfect. We all think our dads are the number one in our family, so you cannot go wrong with this style of album. Very generic. This applies to all dads, so I hope you love it. Let me know what you think, and I will catch you in the next video. Your purchase options are down below, so take a look and see what you want to pick up. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.